Hey there, my name is Raffi Banasati and I'm from accountant major in Pembangunan Jaya University. Hey, let's talk about food, especially street food. You know that feeling when you discover dish so good, instantly becomes your go-to comfort food. Well, let me introduce you to ketoprak, an Indonesian street food that you need to try. So here's the deal. Ketoprak isn't just a food. It's an experience. It is incredible mix of rice noodles, crispy tofu, bean sprout, and lontong. Lontong is compressed rice cakes. But the real MVP is the peanut sauce. It's so good. It's a creamy, sweet, savory, and has the subtle garlic. Kick that. I have you licking your plate clean. And if you like a bit of spice, just throw in sambal, sauce sambal. In English is chili sauce to hit things up. Now, let me paint your picture. You've got all this texture and flavors. Soft noodle, crunchy bean sprouts, and crispy, or in Indonesia is kerupuk or crackers. And that smooth nutty sauce trying it all together. Every bite is like a party in your mouth. And here's the best part. It's super affordable whether you're grabbing it on the streets of Jakarta or making it at home. Plus, it's vegetarian friendly, so it's perfect for anyone looking for a meat-free option that doesn't skim on flavor. But wait, you're not in Indonesia? No problem. You can totally recreate ketoprak in your own kitchen. Most of the ingredients like rice noodles, peanuts, tofu are easy to find at your around market. You just need a blender for the sauce. Trust me, once you make it, you will want to put that sauce on everything. And honestly, eating ketoprak isn't just about the food. It's about experiencing a little slice of Indonesian culture. It's a dish that brings people together whether you're sitting on the tiny stool on the street of Jakarta or serving it up with your friends or your family at your home. So, what are you waiting for? Go try ketoprak. Whether you find it at an Indonesian restaurant, a food market, or decide to make it yourself in your own kitchen. Is a dish you won't regret trying. One bite you will be hooked. I guarantee it. Alright, that's it for me. Now go and find some ketoprak and let me know what you think. Your taste buds are gonna love you for this one. Thank you.
Lontong atau ketupat yang sudah kita potong-potong. Ada bawang goreng dan mentimun. Untuk bumbu halusnya terdiri dari 3 buah cabai rawit yang sudah direbus, setengah sendok teh garam, 1,5 sendok teh gula merah, dan 1 siung bawang putih. Kecap manis secukupnya, dan secukupnya air matang. Nah, ini kacang goreng yang sudah dihaluskan. Ini kacang tanah yang sudah digoreng. Kemudian kita masukkan ke dalam wadah, lalu blender. Blendernya menggunakan wadah yang kecil dan isinya jangan terlalu banyak. Selain menggunakan blender, kalian juga bisa menghaluskan kacangnya menggunakan cobek dan menumbuknya secara manual. Selanjutnya ada toge yang sudah aku siram dengan air panas. Dan yang terakhir bihun yang sudah aku rendam dan aku siram juga menggunakan air panas, kemudian aku tambahkan sedikit minyak agar tidak menempel. Langkah yang pertama adalah kita haluskan terlebih dahulu bumbunya, yaitu ada bawang putih, cabai rawit, gula merah, dan garam. Setelah bumbunya halus, bisa kita tambahkan kacang yang sudah dihaluskan. Tambahkan air matang sedikit demi sedikit. Oh ya, kelemahan menghaluskan kacang menggunakan blender adalah ada beberapa kacang yang masih utuh atau tidak rata hancurnya. Makanya di sini kita haluskan semua bumbu dan kacangnya hingga benar-benar halus. Tambahkan lagi sedikit air dan jangan lupa kalian koreksi rasanya juga ya. Setelah bumbunya jadi, baru bisa kita tambahkan bahan-bahan lainnya, yaitu lontong atau ketupat, tauge, bihun, tahu yang sudah digoreng, mentimun, tambahkan kecap manis, bawang goreng, dan kerupuk. Inilah resep ketoprak